This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
While facing to the left, put your right hand on your hip and extend your left arm straight up with your index finger pointing to the left. Take 3 steps back to the right, starting on the right foot, then drop your left arm as you bring your left foot down a little further back from your right foot and face the camera. Bend your knees a bit as you bend your elbows to bring both arms up so that your hands are out in front of your shoulders, palms facing in. Then drop your hands down so that they are touching the opposite elbow. Keep your forearms together as you move your hands up, then bring them down, up, and down again. Curve your right hand over to the left and up before bringing it to the right and back to rest on the back of your head so that your elbow is pointing straight out to the right. Then do this move in the opposite direction. Turn your right arm so that your elbow points at the camera, then do the same with your left arm. Stand up straight as you extend both arms straight up above your head with your hands together, then turn slightly to the left. Step forward and to the left with your left foot as you bend your elbows to bring your hands behind your head. Bend your knees as you straighten your arms to bring them straight out in front of you. Repeat these moves again. Turn to face the camera as you bring your left foot back behind your right foot, bend your knees, and extend your right arm down and to the right while bringing your left hand near your chest so that your left elbow is angled up. Extend your left arm up and to the left, then bend your right elbow to bring your right hand near your chest so that your elbow is angled down. Bend your left elbow to bring your left hand near your chest so that your elbow is angled up. Then extend both arms straight out toward the camera with your right wrist over your left wrist. Keeping your wrists together, bring your arms up and back, then down so that your hands are resting on either elbow as you stand up straight. Bend your knees, then repeat the last 4 counts of Section 1 of Part 1. Repeat the first 3 counts of Section 2 of Part 1, then lower your arms while taking 4 steps over to the left, starting on the left foot, and bringing your right foot up to meet your left foot on the last step. Bend your knees slightly as you bend over with your arms extended down. Bend your right elbow to bring your fist up as you raise the heel of your right foot, then lower your fist and heel again. Repeat this move 3 more times. Stand up straight and turn your right knee in as you bring your hands up to either side of your head with your elbows pointing out to either side. Your thumbs should be near your temples with the fingers of your right hand pointing down so that your palm faces in, and the fingers of your left hand pointing up so that your palm faces out. Straighten your right leg as you turn your left knee in and switch the positions of your hands. Switch the positions of your hands and knees 2 more times. Continue to switch the positions of your knees for the next 8 counts. Extend your right arm straight out to the right as you bring your left hand near your chest so that your left elbow is pointing to the left. Then switch the positions of your arms. Put your right hand on top of your left hand out in front of you, then bring your arms straight up before bending your elbows to bring your hands behind your head. Bring your wrists up to rest on top of your head with your hands still together, Then turn your hands counterclockwise so that they switch positions before turning them so that your palms face down. Pull your hands out to either side so that they are above your shoulders, then extend your right arm straight up as you bring your left hand down to your left shoulder, keeping your wrists bent. Continue switching the positions of your knees or taking steps if you will be moving around the dance area for the next 12 counts. Extend your index fingers and tap your left shoulder with your left hand 4 times while making tapping motions in the air with your right hand. Switch the positions of your hands, then move your left arm down so that it is extended straight out toward the camera with your index finger still extended. Curve your right hand to the left in front of your chest, then up and back over to the right before bringing your left arm back and folding your right arm over it in front of your chest. Bring your hands up to either side of your face with your left palm facing the camera and your right palm facing in. Switch the positions of your hands 3 times. Stand still and turn both hands so that they are horizontal with palms facing in, then cross them in front of your face. Move them back out to either side of your face, then bring your fists straight up before lowering your arms to your sides.